Hi, so today we're going to be learning about fractions. Let's get started. So fractions are a part of something bigger. Now that's a little vague, but trust me, we'll be getting a little bit more clear as we go on. So fractions are always in the form of A over B. And A, or the top part, is called the numerator, and B, or the bottom part, is called a denominator. And sometimes you can remember the denominator as the downator. So because it's down. So basically, A, or the numerator, tells you how many of the parts are there. So how do we know what the parts are? Well, that's where B comes into the place. B tells us how many parts the whole is divided into. Let's look at an example to make this a bit more clear. So we'll be looking at a pizza, or a pie, or whatever you want to call it, some circular form. And basically, this is the whole pizza, right here. All pizza. Yeah. But let's say you have a friend who loves pizza a bit too much and eats off this whole part of your pizza, which is now gone. So basically, your pizza was divided into two, so that's the denominator, and you only have one of the two sections left to eat. So you basically have half of the pizza. Now let's say your friend was a bit more greedy and took away all this part of the pizza. So basically, you have one part out of the 4 pizza parts. So you have 1/4 of the pizza to eat. So now that this is starting to make more sense, let's look at an example. What fraction, I should say, of this diagram is shaded? Well, let's see. Let's see how many sections there are first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 sections, so 8 will be in the denominator. For the top, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3. So 3 would be in the top. So 3/8 of this diagram is shaded. Now let's see how many parts are unshaded. So we already know from our past calculation that 8 will be in the denominator. But this time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts that are not shaded. So 5/8 of this diagram is unshaded. So I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.